What's the meaning of all over? All over. All over. All over. All over. All over.
The term all over typically refers to a pattern or design that covers a large portion or the entirety of a surface or object. This can refer to a wide range of items, from clothing to wallpaper to artwork. The result of an all-over pattern is often a striking and visually engaging aesthetic, as the repetition of the design creates a sense of harmony and unity across the surface. Depending on the specific design and context, an all-over pattern may convey a sense of playfulness, sophistication, or even nostalgia.